Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your slime less sticky. Let's get started. So first, this is my slime right here. It is mad sticky. 2 seconds, already like this. Now just do for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's already sticky like this. That's not what you want your slime to be. So first, you are just going to add in some water with baking soda in it and just pour it. And then you're going to gently rub it all around. And it barely sticks. But we are not done. Then we're going to put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes, and it won't be as sticky. As you can see, it barely sticks, but it is a little bit still sticky. So we're gonna put that back. So we're gonna put this in the freezer for 5 minutes. Be right back. So if you guys, and yeah. But while that is in the freezer for 5 minutes, I'm gonna go bring out my other stuff. And while that's in the freezer, I'm gonna show you guys how to make slime, clear slime, with this. Okay? And I got it at the dog store, but it is really cool. It's really clear. You're just gonna need this, a mixing tool, and some salt. Any type of salt will work. Just gonna add a little bit, because if you add too much, it will make it watery. And then you are going to mix. And yeah, there's your clear slime. And it does stick, but if you keep on adding more salt, it won't. So yeah, so that's the clear slime. So let's go check on our other slime in the freezer. here it is. Okay. And it's sticky. It don't stick to you no more. And I love this one now. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope you like and subscribe for a raffle to win over $100. So, yep. There it is. And let's not forget about our other clear slime that if you leave, that thing. So yeah, thanks for watching.